Now we are going to discuss gram equivalent volume. So what is the gram equivalent volume? So generally for non-metals like gases, we will discuss this one. Okay, so what is the gram equivalent value? So the amount of gas liberated at STP conditions by passing 1 Faraday of electric charge. So what is that? Okay, now you see that the value of gas liberated at the STP condition by passing 1 Faraday of electric charge, that is gram equivalent volume is equal to gram molar volume. What is that? Gram molar volume to the total valency. For example, take the hydrogen gas. So at 22 gram molar volume is 22.4 liters. So hydrogen is having the valency 2. So that is 11.2 liters or half mole. Okay, hydrogen gas, that is 22.4 by 2, the total valency 2, that is 11.2 liters, that is half mole of hydrogen gas liberated. Suppose if you take the chlorine, the gram equivalent value 22.4 by 2, chlorine, gain the 1 electron minus 1, 2 chlorine atoms, 2 into 1, 2. So we don't need to mention that charges and all. Now only we can see the total valency. Okay, so chlorine, by that total valence is 2, it will get the 11.2 liters liberated, that is half mole we can say. Oxygen also the same, that is so oxygen, it can gain or lose the 2 electrons, 2 oxygens, that is a 4, so 22 by 4, that is 5.6 liters it can liberate, that is a 1 by 4 mole. Is it clear? So now by passing the 1 Faraday of electric charge, 11.2 liters of hydrogen or 0.5 or half mole of hydrogen can liberate. By passing that 1 Faraday, 11.2 liters or half mole of chlorine gas liberated. So by passing the same amount of electric charge, that is 1 Faraday, we will get the 5.6 liters of hydrogen oxygen gas. So that is a 1 by 4 mole. So gram equivalent value, the volume of gas is liberated at STP conditions by passing 1 Faraday of electric charge, that is a gram equivalent value. So if gram equivalent value is equal to gram molar value, that is 22.4. 1 mole of any gas at STP conditions occupies 22.4 liters. That is the total valency of the given compound. So this is a hydrogen 11.2 liters gas, chlorine gas 11.2 liters, oxygen also, that is 5.6 liters. That moles, if you express that 11.2 liters of 11.2 liters of 5.6, that is 1 by 4 mole of oxygen liberated by passing the 1 Faraday of electric charge.